आज एक ख्वाब और देख लें, आज एक ख्वाब और जी लें, पता नहीं कल हो न हो। मेरी कहानी पूरी फिल्मी है। मेरे जो लोग मेरे करीब हैं वो जानते हैं कि हाउ मच आई एम फिल्मी। आज कल हमने शुरू किया था और बिकॉज ऑफ COVID-19 we are on virtual this year IIFB 20, मगर खुशी यह है कि we are doing this all alone with my all entire team. So before going further, because today we are announcing the winners of IIFB 20, the movies, the actors, directors, producers, everyone. But before going to the winners, I would like to say thank you, big hug to my wonderful, beautiful, very hardworking team. Let's start the team of judges, because they were really on hard work past 3 months. So thank you so much, Meera Siddharth Surja Menon Roy Chaudhary, and रोहित चंद्रा। आप लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की है और इतनी सारी फिल्में देखकर आपने उनको नंबरिंग की डिसाइड किया कि कैसे। इट्स नॉट इजी जॉब, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, दो आई एम वॉचिंग एवरी डे वन मूवी, बट in 2 months watching 40-50 movies is not easy job. जबकि हमें मालूम है कि उसमें ना गाने हैं, ना फिल्में हैं, ना डांस है, ना कुछ है. There is only story in each film, and that is, I think, most powerful to watch the stories, the films telling. So हमारे साथ हमारे judges मौजूद हैं. Please accept my thank you. Anything you would like to say, please, on your voice or voice mar speaker, and say something.
Sure. This is Rohit Chandra. I am a physician in Boston, and it has been a joy this year, just like last year, to participate in the India International Film Festival Boston. I'm one of 3 judges, along with esteemed Meera Siddharth, and Dr. Surja Menon Roy Chaudhary. And our friendship has grown in the last year since we first judged together. But these films are of very high quality, and the directors, like Vikas Khanna, like late Om Puri, who's a fantastic actor, these are esteemed people. We are very grateful to them. We are very glad that they are getting the awards they are, and it has been a joy to participate. We hope you all watch as many films as you can.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. This is Meera Siddharth. I'm one of the judges with Surja and Rohit, and it was a wonderful team effort. And I will say that I know who the winners are along with our judges, and nobody has to kill me to find these announcement of the winners, because Razia ji has it. Thank you and welcome.
Surja?
And I would just like to say again, it's been an honor working with you, Razia, and with Rohit and with Meeradi and the rest of the team. We had to select a winner in each category, but I have to say that every single entry that we got had winners in all of the individual films. There was, excellent acting, excellent story, excellent cinematography, excellent concepts. Even if you don't win a prize today, my plea or statement to all of you who have submitted is keep working hard. We loved every single entry that we saw. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dai. Yes, जो भी independent films, actually, as we earlier said or shared this thing, they are not for making money. They are making because they want to share the issues, and they put social issues in front of the audience, and it's not easy thing. We have to support independent film in any way we can. सो इस साल जो हमारे 2 लोग जिन्होंने हमें बहुत सारे फिल्में भी लाए और बहुत सारे हमारे आर्टिस्ट जो जिन लोगों ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड, it because of Sunaina and Priya and Sohaib and छोटा सा रोल मेरा है रजिया. तो but Sohaib is with me, Priya is with me and Sunaina is with me. You guys would like to say something?
Sure. I think I can speak on behalf of Sohaib also.
Yes,
If you
please.
don't mind. Well, first of all, I've been associated with IFB from its infancy, so I know how far we have come, right? And I'm a filmmaker, an independent filmmaker, so it would have been very easy for you to step back and be selfish and say, this year I'm not doing anything. But for you to take this colossal task of still doing what you can do as a film festival, as a supporter of film industry, to say, there are these people who have worked so hard in making this. As a filmmaker, our films are very close to our heart, right? On different social causes and all. So for you to do that, first of all, thank you so much. As you said that we have also been curating, getting the films, myself and Priya and Shoaib sir as well. So that has been a pleasure. Kudos to judges, because I don't want to be in their chair to tell which one is better than the other. But it has been a pleasure. I'm looking forward to working with you in future and continue this. Thank you.
Priya?
So thank you first of all, Razia, for this festival. It's going very wonderfully. But I would just like to say that my introduction to India International Festival of India International Film Festival of Boston was because of the late Poonam Ahluwalia. So today we all are remembering her. She was the one who invited me as an audience, as a guest to the 2018 festival. And I decided to join in 2019 with the team. So it's been a great honor. Films are very close to my heart. I love to act, but I come also from the strategic side of the world, and social impact is very, very close to my heart. So the films that are showcased in this festival kind of bring, some of the stories that are unheard and some that we need to raise awareness about. So it's a great honor and pleasure to be part of this festival. This is my second year, and I just wish all the best and more power to all the women. As I said yesterday, 67% women and 33% men. So thank you to all of you for being part of this, and it's an onward journey from here. So thank you.
Thank you so much for being a part of IIFB since day one. I remember, and I really want to say thank you, Poonam Ahluwalia, who were connected me with so many wonderful people, and they are still with me or with IIFB. But yes, we are missing a lot, Poonam, every single moment. Today, as in FB reminder जो आते हैं, so Poonam wrote today, thank you IIFB 2018, and she wrote wonderful, beautiful message. I was reading and crying. She was there with us in 18, but not this year or last year, but it's okay. Life is moving on. Abhi, I would like to say thank you to the Saravio and Ram, Surinder, Shankar and Ramesh. Are you there, guys? You are not there. So I think they are not there, but it's okay. Shankar, the Saravio team, Ramakrishnan Penamurti and Shankar and Ramesh and Surinder are with IIFB since the first show, or since then. They are very, very helpful, very supportive, and they always take care of all IT things that IIFB needed in past 3 years. So thank you so much, Saravio, and all the wonderful people of Saravio, 4 of you. So thank you so much, and please accept my thank you. Okay. So this year in IRB 2020, so many celebrities and people from Indian cinema joined us in these 2 days, and will be joined to in tomorrow. I would like to say thank you each and everyone. Let's start from day one. Brahmananji, Brahmanand Singh, Sushant Singh, Luke Mendes, Swanand Kirkre, Salil Kulkarni, Danish Renzu, Mikhil Musale, Tanuja Chandra, Vikas Khanna, Kavita Chibbar, Nandita Puri, and Anand Mahadev. And our special thanks to Ishan Puri too, because he wrote me back, thank you for I'm accepting this award, Om Puri Lifetime Achievement Award, on behalf of him. So thank you so much, Razia ji, for giving me this. So special thanks to Om Puri ji's son, Ishan Puri. So this is the small thing. They came to us, and they joined us in different panel, और हमने बहुत अच्छी बातें की. कल वाला पैनल जो अभी मैंने in the morning देखा था today, so it went out almost 30 big platform. They are watching and seeing. So I don't know the latest viewership by now, but I will see. I will check and share. I'm always shout out about these things. So I will share this thing. This how much people are they saying watching. And this morning we had the future of Indian cinema. It is not only the it's not only independence film, but it is also commercial cinema, because COVID changed things, and it is affected both Indian independent cinema and commercial cinema too. And we had a wonderful chat this morning, and I was so much thankful to that the panel and panelists who made such a great point and give the ray of shine that we do not need to be disappointed by COVID. There are so much things we can move with, or there is hope. There is way to make Indian independent films or commercial films. Of course, nothing will die, but yes, thing will change, and we will accept that change, and we will move on. Thank you so much, guys. One more thing I want to say, because IFB always support and give the platform of our local talent. Last year we have kids from Nishkam TV, or they made beautiful films on our Gurdwara, and they were very excited, and they joined us in our last year film festival. This year, to Harvard Film Institute students, they made beautiful film with the local people, with the local artists. Or Boston, they are from Boston University. Sorry, not Harvard, but Boston University kids. They made a beautiful film, Hybrid. So special recognition to that movie as a support of local talent, local films, local independent films. So we are really proud, and you guys too. What do you say?
Of course.
The big thing happened, as last year happened, this year too. Last year Vikas came step in the IIFB at bilkul last minute par, and this year Nandita Puri, somehow I connected. I can say that this is the destiny, who you connected with the right people. So this year somehow I connected with Nandita Puri, and we talked, and we were chatting 2-3 days, and finally we came across this. Why not? I mean, Om Puri ji is the legend himself. So उनको जैसे मेरी बात हो रही थी आनंद महादेवन से, तो he said कि रजिया, क्या हम ओम पुरी जी को लाइफ टाइम अवार्ड देने के लिए कैपेबल है, एलिजिबल है. सो आई टोल्ड हिम कि नो, वी आर नॉट, वी आर एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. बट मतलब अगर अपने आप को देखकर, या IIFB इस इन वेरी टेंडर एज right now, we have only third year, but it's like a diya in our hand, and we are going to in front of sun and says, see, you are sun, but I have a diya in my hand. So it's okay if we are in very tender age, but at least see our passion, our commitment to the work. We are picking the right people in our tender age. So our thinking is beyond our age. I'm sorry, but that's the things I came in my mind and want to share this wonderful, awesome news. This year, IIFB 2020, the Lifetime Achievement Award winner is late Mr. Om Puri. And I don't want to say much because I have a small talk with Nandita Puri and Anand Mahadevan just after this talk. So please join us and see what they are saying about Omji. So let's move on to the next step. Thank you. Next step is because of COVID. And we had a panel this morning, Indian future of film industry, COVID and beyond. And it went very well, very, very well. So thank you again, Priya and Sunena, for doing great job this morning. I'm so happy with that. And because of COVID, we are watching and supporting in this and that way. लेकिन हमने देखा कि हमारी कम्युनिटी से बहुत सारे लोग on different level, they did a great job for the community. You know, in India, in America, हमारी कम्युनिटी से कितने सारे, मनीषा जैन, अजन्ना मदान, और बहुत सारे लोगों ने what's her name, Twinkle Marbia, and so many people are making mask and donating it free. And the thousands, it's not 100, 200, it's 20,000, 15,000. This is a big deal, making these masks at home. तो वो बहुत बड़ी चीज थी, और हम सोच रहे थे कि हमें इस कम्युनिटी को किस तरह से गेट बैक देना चाहिए. देन I had talked with, I received a message from Vikas Khanna ke ye ho raha hai, and see. And then I connected him and I saw he distributed more than 50 million dry food packages. More than 50 million. I mean, this is beyond imagination. Yeah, it's not easy job. And he's sitting in the New York, and he's distributing in India, from UP or Kashmir, Himachal to Mumbai. So he hired almost more than 100,000 gas stations, and put their dry fruit, and they connected with the NGOs and everything. It's a lot of work. So I talked to my core team. Says, why don't we start giving? Because after COVID, life is totally changed. So we don't know next year kya ho, but there are people who need to support and praise from the community. So that's why we started from this year, Pride of India. And it obviously it goes to Vikas Khanna, one of the finest men I ever met in my life. Beautiful human being, and he is doing selflessly every single step he is taking for in distribution. So he connected with many people. The story you will listen after this talk. which Kavita Chibbar. Kavita will take interview with Vikas, and people please stay, listen him, support and praise him, and give them courage to keep on, because he is still doing this. He is not stopped yet. सो ये एक दो बड़ी चीजें थी जो जिनका मैं अनाउंसमेंट करना चाह रही थी एंड शेयर करना चाह रही थी कि हाउ इट व्हाई वी डूइंग Pride of India, and it will keep going in our future events too. So thank you so much. And now it's a big announcement. Winners. So again, thank you judges for doing great job. Let's start doing, I'm making an announcement, and I'm sure that people who got this winners sheet, or who got winners, but also people who will not get it, उनको बिल्कुल परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. They did as equal as they did, but हमारी limitation होती है कि हमें बहरहाल चुनना होता है, तो we just did it. So before going on the winners team, I have Pooja Tiwari, who did beautiful dance yesterday. And Pooja, would you like to say something today? And unmute karo.
So good afternoon, everyone. Namaskar. This is Pooja Tiwari, and I would like to congratulate all the team for this wonderful effort they put it here to make this IIFB3. And I would like to congratulate all the winners, those who win. And we have, as we all know, that we have 100 movies, and those all are equally good. And I wish our judges did wonderful job here for select the winners. So just cheering for all of them, and my best wishes to all the movie makers, all the actors and directors who bring their movies here. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you, darling. Thank you, dear. Thank you. And Pooja is one of them who are with me or IAB since its first year. So thank you, Pooja and Anu. They both, I think I called first, and they came to me, and they are with me. So thank you so much. And one more people in my life who always supporting and being my husband. He's also a friend who believe in me. Hey, okay, tum kar rahi ho, to it will go. Let's do it. And because of him, I did these three event, because without money I can't do, or we can't do anything. So he is our only financer of 3 years. So a big applause to Dr. Sohaib Siddiqui. This year he is busy in his work, but he was with me, in every situation we are going through for organizing this. So Sohaib, would you like to say something?
No, I mean, you should do what you like and enjoy your hobbies. I mean, I take it as your pet project. Mostly I see, as I wrote once to Rohit as a comment, that he was standing alone with the whole team. I said, that's, what are you doing there? That's a ladies team. So he was outnumbered by the ladies. And I think all of you are doing a wonderful job, and that count. I mean, the name has gone very much out in India. It has been each year in all the major newspapers, and I hope once we finish the festival, it will be again every major newspaper in India, which is a big accomplishment in such a short time. So keep it up, and thanks for all your contributions.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
As I told yesterday to somebody, that we are doing it without any corporate, without any big sponsors, but still there are people who support financially. With him, so I would like to say thank you, Meera Siddharth ji, for supporting this event, 20 IIB 2020. There is Sharda Jha who support this event financially, and then Kavita Chibbar who did this too, and who else?
I mean,
Shahla Gul,
these are
Ella.
the
New York like.
sponsors.
Yeah.
Shaila,
Oh, Shaila Gul and
Mani.
Money
Money from
from
Apna
Apna
Money
Bazaar.
from
Bazaar.
Apna Bazaar.
So because of these 4-5 peoples, I am able to pay all the expenses online. I had to pay. So thank you so much for that.
And
all.
up to this point, I would say that Prashant Palakurti also had been a
Yes,
big supporter.
we support the last 2
And
years. Yes,
he always did a lot.
always was. So thank you everybody, and now move on. Very exciting. So all ups and down. Now we have the final results. Thank you, judges, for this wonderful picking up the films and character. So first, best feature film is Khanti, Ashok R. Nath, writer and director. Congratulations for that winning. And then we have best short film from Iran. As I said, somebody is saying something?
No.
Okay. So, best short film from Iran, as we said, or we talked earlier, that we have 11 countries. So, short film from Iran, better than Neil Armstrong. Writer director is Ariza Gosemi. So, congratulations for this short film, better than Neil Armstrong. And now we have best director of film Ev Maria, Kush Gupta and Sejal Daud. So congratulations, both of you. Beautiful movie. Now we are moving to the best actor male. Best actor male is Victor Banerjee, play a father role of Joseph Born in Grace, directed by Susan Mishra. So congratulations, Susan Mishra. Or Victor Banerjee for that male actor award for 2020, IIB 2020. And now moving on, the best actor female, mother of Kanti, Shelja P. Ambu. So congratulations, Shelja, for getting female actor. Last year we have Neena Gupta ji. So congratulations for that. Now we are moving for supporting actor. So best supporting role male, Vipin Sharma from Baitullah. ब्यूटीफुल मूवी, अगर आपने नहीं देखी है तो जरूर देखें. ये जितनी भी फिल्में हैं, दे आर अवेलेबल ऑन IIB पेज. यू कैन गो एंड वॉच if you want, but it's a beautiful film. So Vipin Sharma from Baitullah and supporting role. And best supporting role female, Simant Kharwal and mother of Ev Maria, Lynn Leshram. And then best child actor, Shavika Rishi in Ev Maria. So congratulations, Shavika Maria. Now we have best documentary, Daylight, directed by Indresh Singh. So congratulations, Indresh Singh, for Daylight, best documentary, IIB 2020. And now we lose one of our friend. He was us with the first IIB 18. Arif Mehman साहब बहुत ही suddenly or accidentally he left us this year, end of last year. So he has so this year, early this year. So the first Drake, his film, he played beautiful role of LGBT father-in-law. So first Drake is a LGBT best movie IIFB 2020 this year. And now, as I started from 2018, from very first IIFB, first year of IIFB social cause movie, which is picked by me. So ये एक चीज है जो मैं अपने जजेस से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, प्लीज मेरे लिए एक ये फिल्म आप अपने जो चॉइसेस हैं उनसे अलग सेपरेटली सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए. तो वो मेरे पास है इस साल सोशल कॉज पर बैतुल्ला, बिकॉज चाइल्ड अब्यूज, चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग, चाइल्ड लेबर is still exist in India, and we have to fight for them, because every child needs to go to school instead of going to work in the morning.
Yep.
So this is beautiful movie, and thank you so much, uske writer, director, and producer Jitendra Roy. Congratulations for that. And now, last but not least, best song, The Battle of Corona versus Us. Beautiful song made by Roshni Datta, Rajiv Nima, and Deepak Sharma from New Jersey. They are totally 100% producers, director, writer, actor in this film, in this song, living in Connecticut. And they were so excited when they heard that their song got the nomination, and now it is on our winners list. So congratulations to three of them. Now we are moving to talk to, because tomorrow is Om Puri's 70th birthday. So tomorrow we will close this year festival with talking or in conversation with Nandita Puri and Anant Mahadevan. Nandita is a wife of Om Puri ji, and Anant is a close friend of Om Puri ji. So they have very close connection. They will share with us. It's a very short bite, but we will see and give them Lifetime Achievement Award tomorrow. And today we are giving, just after this talk, we are giving to the pride of India to Vikas Khanna. And I'm so happy, you guys. You can unmute yourself and you can shout out.
Congratulations.
Woo!
Wow.
So,
Very exciting.
Jaldi se quick, whatever you want to say, and then we
have
will
only
move on.
4
We have
minutes.
only 4 minutes left. Say something. Don't wait for anything. Everybody
Letting
say.
us know about the
Okay,
Vikas
okay,
Khanna, and that's he's really a pride of India,
Yes.
and he's doing
Very well deserved.
to him.
Congratulations, Vikas, and congratulations, IIFB, for the 3rd year.
Yep.
Yes, congratulations, IIFB. 3rd year and running. Congratulations, Mr. Vikas Khanna. I'm so proud of myself that I have met him. Such a person.
I saw your picture
He's
with
so
him.
high. He's
Beautiful.
Michelin star chef, but he's so down to earth
Yeah.
that he's thinking of people back home, and he provided food and support.
And I have a wonderful memory of last year where my mother couldn't come up or keep up with him for a photograph. So I asked him, he walked back, he gave her a big hug, and he posed for like as many photos as we wanted. Such a kind-hearted man. So my mom, especially from India, said, congratulations to Vikas Khanna. This is a great award.
Oh yeah.
So,
Wonderful.
so Vikas is symbol of hope for millions, and as Pooja said, he's pride of India. So our diaspora is very honored
Yes.
to honor him. And Razia, a job well done.
Woo!
Yes. Awesome job, Razia.
Congratulations to you.
Congratulations to entire team of IIFFB, and as all you said, Vikas Khanna is a really very kind-hearted person. It's a thrill and it's an honor to meet him in IIFFB only last year. And congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much for submitting your movies. Yeah, it's a privilege to be here. Thank you, Razia ji, Shoaib ji, and congratulations to the entire team. And we are looking many years from now here.
Yeah, cheers to many more years. And I
Yes,
just want to say, Razia ji,
absolutely.
what a venture, what a thought. You are a woman full of thoughts and dreams, and you made it possible, and you took us along in your journey. Personally, I am so thankful and amazed at what you do and the amazing work that judges did. Cannot believe movie to sab dekhte hain, but to judge that and to be in those shoes, that's very tough. I'm just so happy to be given this opportunity, part of this team, and way to go,
It's all
IFB.
woman power. Majority
It is
here
all
on this
women
team,
power. This is
67%
so
are women
beautiful.
only.
We
So it's
have
not women doing thing.
it's almost women, because see, we have men's, but they have a very, I'm not saying it's a small role, but they are very supportive, all sides. But actual work women are doing.
It's
All
well
the
known.
women, except
Rohit.
Rohit.
There's something.
But it's well
Except
known.
Rohit.
They say woman behind man. We have
Yes.
men behind women.
Razia,
in this.
they are the foundation. Because the foundation is strong, you can stand on it.
Yes,
That-
the
that's
men behind the
absolutely.
women.
Even
Yeah.
they
Rohit
are-
is the one always.
How
Men
about we
Stand
say
along
everyone
by
is
starting to
equal?
find their voice. Men are just starting to find their footing, their voice here in IIFFB. Thank you for not silencing me. Much appreciated.
Yes. And the lovely
Okay,
Amy
so
as well.
in this
100%
ma'am,
men.
when I started not IIFB, but BDC TV, then I called to Tapasya. It was 2014, maybe. So
2014.
she is with me 2014 with anything. For everything, whatever I said, she did it. So thank
And
you.
the first day
Tapasya.
I met you, I said, I don't know why, I said, Razia ke liye kahin bhi, kabhi bhi.
Yeah, he said for when we
I
met.
think the heart I saw,
know,
your pure
in
heart, your heart full of
2014.
dreams.
Yes, you said that, and you did it, and you prove it that whenever I need and whenever I call her, she is with me since then. So thank you, darling, and thank you, everyone. More power to the women. More power
Razia
to
ji, you are that infection, that infectious for passion, for film. और वही था कि कारवां आपके साथ हो
Yeah.
Fashion
She attracts
for
food.
We all are movie lovers.
Yeah.
and
You
thank
attract
you.
very,
So
very
let's
brilliant people.
think of
humble.
2021 and let's come back with a grand event. Looking forward to that.
So
Right,
last
Razia ji, do you want to
year
say
what
something in the
happened?
end?
I met Rohit with Amit, and Amit ko Rohit ko हमने कहा कि भाई आप आ जाओ judgment. He said okay. Next day when we met, Rohit had that Modi book on Indian film history.
Oh
So
my.
I'm reading every single thing. Don't worry, I'm with you. And he bought a big book to read about Indian films and everything. And now see, he is here with me. Thank
Razia,
you.